What is going on, guys? It's your boy, Poppy Too Low. Oh, what?
Hey guys, me and Hunter brought the bikes out to do a little ride down by the creek, and this is the trail we usually take. Let me spin you around. The creek is taking over. The pathway has been blocked by water. See if we can see around the corner.
Oh yeah, it's still over right there.
Hunter's climbing up. Spider-Man-ing it up there to see if
Well, that's some deep water.
how far it goes. It's pretty deep. So yeah, it's been raining here for, it seems like a week, on and off for about 2 weeks. The creeks are swollen and it's crazy. It's pretty swift water too. I'm gonna spin y'all around here because I feel an adventure coming on with Hunter and his Spider-Man techniques.
Don't fall in.
Go Hunter! Go Hunter! Spider-Man that fence!
How much farther?
Well, you can jump down now into the mud. Oh, killed your shoes. My bike was clean when we started this.
Thank you for staying on the rocks. Technically get it.
Alright guys, we're going to try and go back and go towards downtown. See if it's flooded. And then it's probably going to be food time up in here. Up in here.
Maybe there'll be adventure.
I hope y'all can hear me good. I'll check back in because my GoPro was dead. Check this out.
Imagine running our dirt bikes on that.
Dude, that was a truck going down the railroad tracks. How awesome was that? You don't even got to steer.
I bet you would derail if you got it too fast.
Well, he was running pretty good. Alright, back in a flash. Back at it. Alright guys, we're out here on the trail. This is a cool side too. It's right here, if you can see, in this area, right in this area right here. It's paved. If you go down that way, it cuts off to the right to a wooden bridge. The creek is still right there beside us. And if you go back that way, which is the way we came from, there's a wooden bridge. One part was flooded, but we made it across. It wasn't real bad. There's Hunter's bike. Got the Bubsification sticker on there. The only problem this bike has, if you can see, I cannot get that thing to stop dripping. I've adjusted the float all the way up or all the way down so that it don't take very much gas, but it sticks. It's a nice bike. Disc brakes, drum brakes on the back. It's the L model for the tall guys. He said he'd trade it for a KLX 110 or a 110L, either one, whatever you got. It's a good bike. Anyway, let's get some more ride time in. Hunter, you want to fire it up and make a few passes on the back wheel? Alright guys, we're gonna head on down the trail. What do y'all think about these fly goggles? The more I wear them, the better they seem to get. So we'll see how they work out. Alright Hunter, let's head back down the trail, bud.
Alright.
Peace, it's too late until next time, baby.
Still got it.
Out here shooting hoops. Boys.
I don't know if you're ready for this, folks. Yeah.
You building a house? Cause I see nothing but bricks.
I like it.
And air.
My jump shot's wet. It's just so sad. Alright, Daddy, ready? Get my jump shot.
Boom! Swish!
And get my dribble boost too. And one.
Out here hanging with the boys, shooting hoops. Did some riding earlier. Had fun. See who all we got out here. Got Riley, Kai, Hunter back there behind me.
Yeah.
So we trying to get Hunter a KLX 110. Holy cow, it got dark. What about the grass growing? Man, it's super tall out here. It's like spring. So we'll probably go for another ride here in a little bit.
Yeah, I like the sound of that.
I'll be there.
He'll be there.
Big word.
So we headed down here to Etard's little man's birthday party. Little Etard. It's supposed to be a pretty cool little deal they got down in Ringo. It's like a science adventure birthday party. Gonna see what it's all about. We're on the road now, so we'll catch back with you in probably about 15 minutes. It'll be like a second to you, but alright guys, gonna go on another ride. It's been a big warp and we've had a lot going on, but we wanted to take you back here one more time on the trail for this ride and let y'all see what's up.
No, I'm not going up there.
Go up it, man.
Sorry. I see that.
You got it?
Yeah.
You want to film me going up it? This, I don't know if y'all can see this. It's straight up.
I can't even run up it.
Film me going up it. I'll try to climb it. It's slick.
Is my bike in the way?
No.
Let me go up on top of it so I can get a top point.
No, just film right there. Alright guys, that was fun. It's been a good weekend. Little father-son time, hanging out. Had a good time. If you liked the video, please hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Think about it anyway. And if you don't like it, let us know. we'll change it up. We'll do whatever you want. We got some big builds coming up. We got some parts coming in. We're gonna do a full manual clutch on the KLX 110.
Boom.
So stay tuned for many more videos. We're out.
Peace.
I'm up here. Don't touch this with your leg. It might be a little warm. Let me start it up. Hard to see with the helmet on.